Hello everyone, my name is Mcclendon, and today I want to talk about Algorand. Now Algorand is currently ranked number 38 on the list, guys, out of cryptocurrencies. It has been pretty much at a really important market. Basically, it's at a really important market position that I really wanted to cover. But for those who are new to Algorand or this channel, this is stuff that I cover and talk about. But Algorand currently on 635,000 people's watch list. It is at 21 cents, guys. It has been taking massive losses as of recent, but pretty much all cryptocurrencies in the same position. Now, if you guys want more details about this cryptocurrency, just check out their website. Comment on that right here. And if you guys have a website, it's algorand.com. You guys read about their transactions, how fast it is. And you know, most websites gonna say they're most cryptos gonna say they're the most fastest out there. But if you guys want to trade it, hodl it, you know, get a part of this cryptocurrency, here's a list for them. I'll have it linked in the description box below, so you guys can check it out. Well, let's get into the charts, guys. So first off, if you see Algorand, this is on basically TradingView or looking at Binance. Now, if you look at it, it had a height of almost $3 and some change, and it has basically collapsed since then. And now it's been basically flatlining. Now, this could be a very interesting way of entering right here, because it did the same thing over here, and it might be, you know, accelerating higher. But if you're getting to get into that, if you're trading it, you might want to be very cautious, because it can also head down a lot lower. And you know, even for me, like if I was going to enter this crypto like trading bit, I would have to see more candles, basically, to see if there's more money entering the market. And as I see now, and I'm on the monthly, I haven't seen any indication that any big player has entered the market yet. It basically is kind of like flatlining, and it might do that for a few months. Now, there's some interesting aspects about, you know, entering into a flatlining or a flat cryptocurrency. And this is something I want to talk about is staking. Now, if you have Algorand and you're staking it, and you've been buying it just as of recent, then you're possibly up because you're earning some interest on it. Some are getting, you know, I just pulled this article. This is from Milk Road. This one, people can get, you know, 4.34%. So if you're getting 4.34% staking it, and you're pretty much balancing out a price, it's not too bad. Then you're possibly in profit. But you know, that's one way I would look at getting into staking it. But if it heads down lower, you know, I need more indication to end up trading it and putting actually a lot more pressure on this, because if you see, it moved basically very, very fast when there's a lot of, you know, attention on crypto. But now there's very little attention, and there's a lot of competition. And by competition, there's other cryptos out there. Right now, there's at 23,268 cryptocurrencies, 604 exchanges. So there is a lot of competition when it comes to crypto, and you know, outside this top 10 list, many of the cryptocurrencies don't get that much love. Algorand gets some love, but until crypto does good in general, heads back up, maybe Algorand might be flatlining or heading down a little lower. But you know, I can't really do a price prediction on it, like, cause there's just not enough activity happening. But I think the other possibility, if someone wanted to enter, if I wanted to enter about this, I would be looking at staking it and then going it. But besides that, until there's more activity, I won't even enter the trade. And that's not the way I put that. So if you want to find there more news about Algorand, what it does, you guys can scroll down and look at it. It's like Algorand is a self-sustaining, decentralized blockchain-based network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient. Are all critical properties effective applications in the real world. Algorand will support computations that require reliable performance guarantees to create new forms of trust. So if you guys want to use this cryptocurrency, use your blockchain, you guys can test it out. It is a coin, not a token. So yeah, it's something better than you know, most of these are crypto. But if you guys like my analysis in this, what I think about crypto, or what about Algorand, just let me know. Drop a comment below, or check out my website, check out some of my services, my free education. Check it out, guys. All that for you. Or join my Telegram to get in direct contact with me. But guys, that's Algorand video. Tell me what your thoughts are, and I'll see you guys on the next one.